What's up, guys? Right now on the testing rig, I have the Lasko. I have no idea what kind of Lasko it is. I got it from Dan Spiffy Newman for 40 bucks and thought that was a good deal. And if you guys recognize this fan, this is from one of the 12 Wings bathrooms. I think it was the downstairs men's bathroom that it was in. And yeah, I have it. So yeah, we'll start off with the light. I'm not gonna keep this fan on high for long because it wobbles so much. Like, it's bad, really bad. That's why the light kit is taped right there, because there's only 2 screws holding it in, so it bounces around a lot. So I just taped it back on. And if you guys are wondering where the glass is from, it's from the Walmart Impressions. I think I'm gonna use the Walmart Impressions glass for this. Looks really good. Alright, start off on low. And the pull chains are not original too. Those are from the Walmart Mainstays Hugger. It didn't come with any pull chains or glass. And it doesn't have a hook up there, so you have to wire it with one of the screws in, which is really weird. The hook broke off, I think. And this thing is so hard to put up. I'm surprised I did it myself. You guys could hear that? Hums. Here's the light. I'm gonna turn on high for like a couple, maybe like, I'm gonna try 30 seconds, but I'm gonna have to get up there and hold it. All right, medium. I don't think I'm going to keep it on medium for long, actually. Sorry, I'm a little thirsty. You guys can see that. Here's the light. Yeah, you could see it. It's way worse in person, though. Alright, the thing I've been dreading. High speed. Alright, I'm gonna hold it like this. Light. Off. You guys can understand, this thing is so wobbly, and I do not want it to get broken. And of course, Lasko has the faded yellow flywheel right there. I love the stencil on these. So did Dan. He had to think a second before he decided to sell it to me, which I completely agree with. I don't think I'm ever gonna sell this thing. I want to keep it forever. And if I ever don't want it, I'm probably gonna give it back to Dan. It's a big fan. Turn the light on for the rest to spin down. Alright, that was my Lasko ceiling fan. Hope you guys enjoyed. Goodbye.